We'll guide you through how to deactivate a Facebook account. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, go to the top right of Facebook and go and click on your profile icon with the 3 lines. On an iPhone, there's 3 lines in the bottom right you need to click. Scroll down and expand Settings and Privacy and go and click in Settings. In Settings, you then want to go and click on Account Center. Scroll down here into Account Settings and click on Personal Details. Now what you need to do is click on Account Ownership and Control. Then click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose the account you want to do this with. You can either deactivate, which is temporary, or delete, which is permanent. In this case, we're deactivating, so that's selected. I'll press Continue. Now I'll enter my password. It's going to go and ask for a reason, so that's up to you, and I'll press Continue. It's then going to go and provide some alternatives, and you can do an automatic reactivation if you want. I'm not going to though, but that's up to you. I'll press Continue, and then just make sure you go through this. You can choose if you want to go and continue using Messenger. And when you're ready, click on Deactivate my account at the bottom. Make sure you've read through that. And that's it.